Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we learn how to be smart and responsible online.
Poverty isn't just about lacking money. It's about lacking basic needs like food, clean water, shelter, education, and health care. Every day, millions of families struggle to survive, not because they're lazy, but because they have limited opportunities. Many people judge the poor without understanding the bigger picture: low wages, unemployment, expensive living costs, and systems that make it hard for people to rise. Some children grow up without proper nutrition. Some families can afford only one meal a day, and some parents sacrifice their own needs just to provide for their kids. While some people have stable jobs and secure homes, many families never get the same chances. Poverty also affects mental health. Imagine waking up every day worried about survival. That kind of stress becomes normal for many families. What's even worse is when society blames the people who are struggling instead of asking why inequality exists. Understanding poverty begins with awareness. It starts with listening and acknowledging that not everyone starts life on equal ground. If we want change, we need empathy because empathy leads to action.